my name is Michael. That's pronounced my kale, kind of like my pale, but with a K. I am a psychology major with a concentration in human development. Um, let's see. What I hope to get from the class is, in general, I'm pretty comfortable with making speeches or speaking in front of people, in front of audiences. It kind of comes naturally to me. However, what I do kind of struggle with is when making formal speeches, I kind of tend to lack more into a relaxed state or an informal state. So my speeches kind of get off track from that formalness. I don't think that's a word. But also, and I use too much as a filler, as I'm sure you've already heard, I did it again. So that's kind of what I'm looking to gain from the class. And also, just sharpen my skills and become better at it. Something surprising, when I was 11 years old, my family used to go on cruises every year. And so during one family cruise, when I was 11, we went to Cozumel, Mexico. And so we decided to go snorkeling. And when we went snorkeling, I kind of divvied off from the group. I kind of looked up, and there were a bunch of sharks everywhere. Of course, they had a rescue boat, kind of rush out, drag me on the boat, kind of rush me back to shore. To this day, I'm not nervous. I still like water and sharks and everything, but that's something interesting that happened to me. Well, thank you, and nice to meet you all.